What's up, YouTube? It's your man Trayvon Pratt with AIM, Always Improving the Mind. And we're going to talk about being open to opportunity today. If you're here, this is something that you want to listen to, this is something that you want to hear, this is something that you need. Go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe right now, and let's get into it. A lot of us are not truly open to the opportunities that we wish we had. There's one thing that I tell people now, and that's prepare for what you pray for. You got to be ready, man. Not only do you have to be ready, when you pray for something, when you want something, you have to work towards it. You can't sit around, you can't play with it, you can't be stagnant. So make room for the blessings that you know should be pouring in. And I got a little short story that I want to give you all. Have you heard about the story about the man stranded at sea who asked for God's assistance to get him back to land? Apparently, there was a man that was stranded at sea. He asked God, "Can you help me?" I prayed that God is going to help me. And he was confident that God was going to help him. So he just sat and was patient and was waiting for God to show up. So a man with a raft came. He said, "Oh, are you stranded? I would like to help you get back to land." He said, "No, I'm going to wait on God. I'm good." A man with a lifeboat comes to help the man. And he says the same thing. "No, I don't need your assistance. I'm waiting on God." All the way up until a cruise ship comes and says the same thing. "Can I help you?" And he says, "No, I'm going to wait on God." A helicopter comes, right? Says, "I want to help you." And he says, "No, I'm going to wait on God." In the next few days, nobody came. And then he looked at God and was like, "Why are you not helping me?" And God like, "Well, I sent you. I done sent you boats, helicopters, rafts. I sent you the help, but you didn't take the opportunity." You have to be open to the opportunities and that presents themselves. And by being open to these opportunities, you won't be stagnant. You'll be able to move. You'll be able to actually level up in life, okay? Trying new things, doing new stuff, learning new things, putting yourself in a different position. Now, when it comes to new opportunities, right? I already know it could be a little frightening, it could be a little scary, because the main thing, one of the biggest fears that humans have is the fear of change. So opportunities, new opportunities could mean that you have to change something. You have to change your scenery, change your schedule, change your trajectory, the direction that you're going. You know, you might have to change your career path. You might have to change your inner circle, your friends. You might have to change a lot of stuff, man, to be able to uphold these new opportunities. So I understand the fear, but nothing moves if nothing moves. You need to make the move. If you want to be out of the predicament that you're in, if you want to be in a better position, if you want to, have more in life, whatever that looks like for you, you have to move towards it. It's not just going to come to you. And even when it does present itself to you, you still have to make that move. You can't be closed off to it, because that's when opportunity knocks. Opportunity comes knocking to a closed door. But if you never get up to open that door and let opportunity in, that opportunity gonna leave. Nobody's here. Ain't nobody answer the door. Nobody want this, Nobody wants what I'm coming to give, so opportunity gonna move on. You have to be open to opportunity. All right? This is Trayvon Pratt with AIM, Always Improving the Mind. Stay open to opportunity. Don't let fear stop you, halt you, keep you from moving. And don't be so closed-minded to think that opportunity is going to come in the way that you see fit, the way that you only think it would or how it should present itself. No, you have to be open to opportunity and open to how it may present itself when it presents itself. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys. Much love.